Hey guys, welcome back. Today's Doodle celebrates Angelo Moriondo's 171st birthday. Angelo Moriondo is an inventor who was granted a patent for the espresso coffee machine in 1884. His grandfather founded a liquor factory, which was continued by his father, Jimiaco, who later founded the well-known chocolate company Moriondo and Garrigiglio, together with a brother Ettore and a cousin Garrigiglio. Angelo Moriondo came from an entrepreneurship family. Angelo acquired the Grand Hotel Ligure in Piazza Carlo Felice in the city center and the American Bar in the Galleria Nazionale on Via Roma. The patent was issued on May 16, 1884 for a period of 6 years, entitled New Steam Engine for Economical and Instant Packaging of Coffee Beverages, Method A Moriondo granted. The machine was actually built by a mechanic named Martina, who worked under the inventor's direct supervision. The invention was then confirmed by an international patent after registration in Paris on October 23, 1985. In the years that followed, Moriondo drastically improved his invention, each improvement being patented. Angelo Moriondo never put the invention into industrial production. He limited himself to building a few handmade machines, which he jealously kept in the workshops, convinced that this was a significant advertisement for him. Ian Buston, a historian chronicling the history of coffee, claims to be the first researcher to discover Moriondo's patent. Buston described the device as the first Italian bar machine to control the flow of steam and water separately through the coffee, and Moriondo as one of the earliest discoverers of espresso machine. Unlike real espresso machines, it was mass-brewed and did not brew coffee expressly for the individual customer. Moriondo presented his invention at the General Expo in Turin in 1884, where it was awarded the bronze medal. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Zenith Institute on YouTube and follow us on Facebook.